car crash in which a young woman died are being recreated on stage to punch home the perils of drinking and driving. The car was being driven by the dead woman's sister, who survived the crash, and she supports the play in the hope that it'll stop further tragedies. Tina Jenkins reports.
20th, 1983, a lonely road near Epping, a car comes off the road and hits a bridge. Scaffolding slices through the car. The passenger, Joanna Morley, is killed outright. The driver, her sister Tony, escapes. Joanna and Tony were on their way home from an evening class. They'd both been drinking. Now, 3 years on, the events of that night and what happened afterwards are being recreated on stage in a play aimed at spelling out the dangers of drink.
The last thing I remember is driving past the hospital. I don't remember anything else after that. What I can't understand is why we just didn't catch a cab. It never came into it.
That's a question Tony asks herself every day, and the play puts into words the most important message she knows.
It was just such a stupid thing to do. It's quite upsetting, really, in a way, you know, because you spend all them years getting over it and then you see it all again and it's a bit upsetting, really.
It was PC Chris Caton, a local bobby from North Weald, who found the car and who broke the news of Joanna's death.
Just what's wrong?
Joanna died in the road accident.
I don't believe it.
Just hopefully that something will come out of this when it's shown. If somebody's life can be saved or somebody takes notice, smashing.
The play was written on the basis of interviews from everyone involved in some way in the crash. For the young writers and actors, it's been an emotional experience. Quenchers is in review at the Harlow Playhouse before moving on to Edinburgh Festival next month. This is Tina Jenkins for Thames News.